Good afternoon, sir. Oh dear, me sorry. The kind, me sorry. Say the last time what happened, I acted in out of anger, and then I said some words which I shouldn't do that. I'm sorry. The truth is, your girlfriend was my ex, and then I'm married now. But due to one or two situations we did the house, so I come in there, come eat. I come in there, come eat. You know, be say me then inside they move. No, that one they are swear. Me then you know they move again. I beg you. So no matter what has happened, I beg you. I came as a brother man. I came as a friend. So please, I beg you. I beg you, please. Let's all forget about what has happened. I beg. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. From the heart.
For information, I have no grudge against you, okay? I'm okay. You can go.
You sure?
So clean. I hold no grudge against you, like
all the punches and then those things still are.
I'm cool.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Bro, if you do so, I be like say like you get some like Ajumboni be able to show because you can't say all the punches and the warning and then all the things that you came across, you know, you just let it go like that. So as I say, we are all Africans. African man we go say oh I forget them. It's okay, let's forget. You know, me, you know, go forget.
The truth of the whole thing is, you said you are sorry, so there's no need to be holding things back and forth and all those stuff. Like, I'm okay, I'm cool.
I beg you.
Why?
Tracy is a very good girl. She's a very good girl. I beg you. Why? Andre, I'm well. I beg you. Why? I don't want a situation where it will look like I'm the cause of her broken hope. I beg you. So if you say you forget, you have forgiven me, let's all drink together.
Oh, I'm okay. Please.
I beg. No, I said it. Why? I just say it's out of just for fun. I beg you. I'm afraid anything can happen.
But I hold no grudge against you, okay? So I'm cool. All right.
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
You're such a funny guy. I like you.
People they talk.
I like you. I like the way you.
So if you need any information, how she behave and all those things, I feel help you.
Oh, no
She's
problem.
my ex.
Okay.
So take her.
All right.
I'm married.
So then you okay? Bye.
Thank you.
You're okay.
You are my G.
To the Viviania. Bye.
Okay. Bro, now I want to ask you something. I beg you, when you go marry him? I'm sorry.
This guy is funny.
If you're right, I didn't book at an away me. That's a minimum contract. My mouth is a fire idea. I didn't want to mean that I didn't would buy a physical mammy.
Sanya Boteria. Say the Anya Boteria. Say I didn't send a dear Aquayano. The catch of your porch now, Wayano. Or so taking 5 million. It is 5 million. I said, me friend count on me for man. Intimate me when you say, oh, Cobanga, Pescano for Fraba account. Intimate so me trail. If you give him fault, I owe for
Debbie, me batty. Would ye, me and Missy Tuno? Would ye make an hour? Fescan mammy, my young to Nibu, would ye mean to know? Man, it's not any would ye fast?
I see that's how kind of the end. Say, then the yes, you.
And yes, yes, I feel right.
And yes, if you say yes, I know the Mika, may travel now for 5 million.
Debbie, Debbie, if you are me, no coast, can I would you?
Send me to me, baby, no, Rebecca said me friend too much. No one can say me friend too no, me friend too no. All about wire porch. It's in the catch of the train or you wait or you.
If you are a porch or some now can they maintain us here? Me say to ni pani free there anymore. And I wish wire porch. Okay, fine, wire porch crana. Dinka tune.
Mende kan tu no amintu ne saska no buy. Say am man Oscar say me 5 million me kan wa. If na me go say catch me.
O de fa me nya 5 million na me de aba na wo de atu.
O nya fa minister first kan ma. De bi scan de ma me bu de ma nda ho a.
Fira ile kan no we di sika no we di sika da bi we di. E bi kan no we di sika no. E bi de wo ye de we.
Eh mende ye.
You hear this way this can because who to make
the Indian property e be say who na o say me ntu no. Macho wo to say ya.
E na me say.
E be nko wa asem wo bi me nkan.
E na me say me ntu ni biom. Wo de me ni ntemu ye fan say ntu de fa me sika na me.
Wo de nya botel scan de kakra e be.
Scan anya media ya bisi na me koji yo.
Bisi na ko boy ko bo bi.
Abi national.
Ko bo bi be kan. Ko bo be kan. Ko bo 5 million be kan. Na me ye nya kwan fe nya wo different tune.
Oh de mate wo de dey dey just me ma wokun ba mu sa because me
na oba mu asa wo na wo ye so oba mu a ono ye wo na wo ye
mama na ba me na metumi sa atumi aka me sika
ni dia wo ka kire no asika ne dia bebi a me dia fa no dia ji so onya abotel kakra bebi a be ye enti wo dia nya abotel ko 5 million be kan we no hu na me nya kwa na me fa
na wo pe bi si ade ayewa adwuma ko bank na obi sika fa ya ade ma me a wo tumi afa anya ade
ma me nda sika ksa na Ghana ID
da bi asema wo kan dia me nyante wase enya me ne wundi dwaye me ne wunya hwe mama osika se fatu
osi
mama osika se fa ya ade no wanya anye
osi yen secret mo obi anti me ne wunte mu nko a wa o kasa wo be mo
okay wo de da be na me sa be kesika no
wo de nya abota me bo modin a wa me nya
28 million no
ka me nya po wo de 5 million po be kan wo de kan wa na ma nya kwan de atu
and me de 10 years wo fi ha na me ntua
10 years baby me kwa kan ka me tua wo ka me de wa de be ma why me de wa de nya me na me ye wo na wo ye why nti nya abota
oh there
onu anu
mami we ni blessing kadodo mami we ni blessing kadodo
Who you on gate now? Ah, net then I'll be some years here. The other to me, I and I'm a cat from mammy. Me say me mouse cat now I go in saying. And now say, Obe Pope, no, they are Koyaka command because me near ready. Say my bedi a freeway, and I mean pale moreover. And then ya damn to me no swatina because me do. It's the Amaka shell no.
And you know,
Mimi Diabro. Unji. Media damn to me, I had your boy and Amaka shell. So, him say, wouldn't you say ever be blackmailing me? And now say, wouldn't you say about power, real pie or make Quissy Darling to maintain power, dear, Mammy, we feel it. We feel it, Cassia, big time, make catch it. And it's obey what you send me mouse can walk with ye fine. Yes, I got pet, Papi, enough of like command. And ya damn me, Waro and Ewaro et China. Make catch it.
Sour, she. If you saw by him number 4 wind. And they are grubbing with the quam do about for Sophia and one cassa woman. No, baby, no. Hello. Hello, madam. Pacho, good afternoon. The patron Paso Buffy has a seer. I me Paso Buffy has a seer, me who be. Would the under win your quite crowd or China may have mabra. Then who be? Aye. The patcho I. You, Mate. Okay. Bye bye. See what your barber.
Try my friend.
Any gay or the number show.
Me name Nipo, we be a cry na in Indian and bush with my friend.
Okay.
Darlington. Hello? Yeah. Me now fear over him. Miss me now fear, I will say me now. Miss me now fear, kind and me now Piebra. Come. Erade. So makuma.
Baby.
Be why be one said them.
Na se wa ba na obi se dem ato boy, se na obo fu
You
ya
be ke
dey.
bia man jintu mo. Aso be ke your boy. Me so do ba be show.
Me see when said them.
Me see Jimmy di o do ba be show.
Ah, na baby se wa ba nya botre.
Me see you be ke bia man jintu mo. Entru no be twa wo.
Obra uti fi high boy.
Me see your boy Jimmy di.
Obra uti fi high boy. Darlington.
Entru no be twa no.
Me ma wo dwane
Ma
ni.
me twa ntro.
Me tia wo dan ka. Na sa go for Baba Raja.
Jimmy di, madam Jimmy di. Me so do ba be show.
Me san mouse ka every week bia na fata dwane bi. Na mo me hide, wo be hide we me kan. Sa na me wo fi ha nti na wo be share ha sei.
Enti sa.
Be se me de offer me Jimmy ni me bo a. Wo fa me Jimmy ni me bo a.
Me see Jimmy di. Oh, what? Do ba ka chi obi obo.
Baby.
What? Obo.
Yes.
Baby, bibi ato boy.
Era. Wo se dem ha ye de. Dia kana se ba se. Dia na se kwa. Ba se kwa. Kwa.
Se de mako wi ada adan.
Wo. Why nie?
Sister, oyo odi en. Eden sen fo na.
Me bu so asa wa ka uti asi, me se why nie?
Oyo odi en.
That is wo ba ma ye bone wa asisi a.
Ewre. Anya wo na fiera ne be chia se ne ge no no.
Ade na mi hu o mani si. Ade na mi hu. Kasa wa ware impode da.
Ade na ekoso wa hase no.
Ge. Yeah, ade na ekoso wa. But good afternoon. Me ba to sister is so said them hase. Be. Ada de na wo ya da wo ntu nyama ni wi. Chama on tu nyama ni wi ya da. Ada de na ekoso. Be o se dem hono. Madam is say. Madam is say. O say me guy ni girlfriend. Guy with girlfriend. Some no catch me. Baby young kwe.
Bless you. Me fellow.
O fele me say.
Me fellow. Eh then I will get no.
Assemble me. What do you mean say I be girl? Ada.
Then I will get no.
Ada wonim.
Me fellow bless you. Me fellow.
And I don't know obi aba me
Then I will get no.
I then am girl no. Be say ni pen o ye me girl. What's your problem? Be young kwe.
What is the person just obi on you?
Why me girlfriend? Oba me no one. What's your problem? Be young.
Hey, Xavier.
Your girlfriend.